Example number 1 related to average atomic mass of an element with respect to their isotopic masses. So if an element can exist in more than one isotopic forms, relative to their abundances, relative to percentage abundance or the ratio of their abundance in that request, the average atomic mass is calculated with the formula average atomic mass of a substance or an element is equals to sum of the atomic mass of an element into relative abundance, its relative abundance. If it is given in terms of percentage, then percentage abundance, this can also be written with the formula per sigma atomic mass into percentage abundance overall divided by 100. So the formula which we are going to use in this particular question is using the data, what is the relative abundance given and corresponding to the mass number of the isotope, multiply that, we get the average atomic mass. So let us see the question in this. Our example number 1, boron exists in two isotopic marks, boron 10, boron 11, where the boron 10 abundance is 19.6% and 11 is 80.4%. Now what is the average atomic mass? Let us go to this particular one. Boron is existing in two ways, B10, second one is B11. As we know, this is 19.6 percentage given and this is given 80.4 percentage. So now the relative, or we can say atomic mass, so relative, or we can use the word average atomic mass. Average atomic mass of boron is equals to sigma atomic mass of boron, into percentage abundance divided by the total divided by 100. So let us go to this particular calculation. We have 19.6 is the abundance for mass 10 plus 80.4 is the abundance for mass 11 divided by 100, which is equals to 196 plus 884.4 by 100, which will be equals to 1080.4 by 100, that is equals to 10.804. So we can say the atomic mass, average atomic mass of boron is equals to 10.8 unified mass ReAmu. So the answer for this particular one will be 10.8 unified mass ReAmu. That comes to be the answer for this particular question.